Good morning, students. Welcome back in your English class. In our last class, or in my last video, I have explained you the first two stanzas of the poem Beauty. Let's have a recap of this. In my last class, I told that the poetess is saying through this poem that beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. That means beauty is not something distinct or a specific thing. It is just a perception that varies from person to person. For the poet, the real beauty is the beauty of nature. In the first stanza, the poet is saying that she can see or one can see beauty in the sunlight, in the trees, even in the movement of the birds. She also sees beauty in the form of happiness in the face of farmer when they dance with joy while harvesting. In the second stanza, the poet is saying that beauty can also be heard at the night when the whistling sound is made by the passing wind and when we get the sound of the falling rain. She also feels the beauty in the melodious tune or song sung by a singer from the core of his heart or depth of his heart. This was the first two para. Now we will start the third para. The third stanza of the poem is beauty is in yourself. Good deeds, happy thoughts that repeat themselves in your dreams, in your work, and even in your rest. See, students, this para is something different from the first two para. Let's see the meaning. Deeds means acts, actions that we do. Repeat means to happen again and again. That means in the third stanza, poet is not talking about the beauty of nature. This stanza has a deep meaning. In the first two stanzas, we have seen that the poet is talking about the beauty of nature. Beauty of nature means the outer beauty, which we see, that we see. But in this para, she talks about inner beauty. The beauty which is inside something. You can say the beauty which is inside a person possesses some beauty. Maybe he or she is not beautiful from outside, but he or she is beautiful from inside. What can be inner beauty? See, beauty is just a 6-letter words, but has a very deep meaning. Hopefully you are getting from this poem. The poet has explained the meaning of this 6-letter word beauty very carefully, with all depth. The poet here has classified the beauty in two kinds. One is outer beauty and one is inner beauty. And in this stanza, in third stanza, she is talking about the inner beauty. that apart from the nature, apart from the outer beauty, there is also a beauty which is inner beauty, which cannot be seen. We feel it only. Beauty is not always external or visible. It is within ourselves, and it can be abstract also. The poet is saying that beauty is in yourself. That means beauty is in within ourselves. Our positive thoughts, views, good actions. When one wishes, their imaginations, dreams, these all are beautiful because it gives us hope to live. If we don't imagine, if we stop dreaming, then what will happen? There will be nothing. There will be no willingness to live. To live a happy life, we need a beautiful dream which will give us a hope to live. Beauty can be seen in the way we work, or even the style of taking rest, or even in the sleep after getting completely tired. For all the day we work very hard, and when at the last we take rest, it is also beautiful. That means beauty is a vast concept. It is very vast. It cannot be defined. It cannot be confined to any definition, or it cannot be confined to one thing. Rather, it is there in everything. We just need eyes and a heart to see it and appreciate it. To sum up the whole poem Beauty, we can say that beauty is everywhere and beauty is in everything. Beauty is in all the things we do for others and everything in the nature that surrounds us. All things are beautiful in their own unique way. We can't be biased. We can't say that this is only beautiful and that is not beautiful. We just need to get that eyes or get that ears to feel it, to hear it, we just need to get a heart to feel it. We only need a vision to see. We need ears to hear it and heart to feel its essence. This is all about the poem Beauty. So students, this is all for today's video. I hope you all understand the poem Beauty. I hope you all understand the concept beauty. Go through the poem properly. Go through the word meanings also. And thank you.